itself is very, very impressive in the sense that it's producing torrential rain
until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bristol, or 11 miles east of Simonton Lake, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sturgis, LaGrange, Middlebury, Constantine, Bristol, White Pigeon, Scott, Fawn River, Montville, Shipshewana, Brighton, Klinger Lake, Howe, Ontario, and Emma. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 95 and 127. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Elkhart and LaGrange, and the following counties in Michigan, Cass and St. Joseph.
Macy's summer sale has all the latest styles at incredible sales.
The tornado warning for West Central St. Joseph County is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer appears capable of producing a tornado. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for North Central Indiana. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.